Hello, welcome back to Visual Fitness. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. I apologize for the shadowy lighting. This is my first time filming at this time of day, night, in my little sunroom, so I still need to figure that one out. But today is day 11 of the Fit 66 challenge. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, the playlist is down below. Today I'm just going to be walking you through a quick little SMR session. If you're unsure of what that is, then you can go again into the playlist, check out day 4 where I do SMR 101. I explain what it is, the benefits and what you can use, and the main spots to perform SMR. Everything I'm going to do today are just going to be basic foam rolling moves, nothing too crazy. And if you did my leg workout yesterday, you're definitely going to want to do this today if you have access to a foam roll. If you don't, and you don't have one of the substitutions that I mentioned in day 4's video, then you can go ahead and skip this video, come back anytime if you do end up getting your hands on one of these. This one is from the dollar store, and I got Reese with me, if you were wondering who the dog of the day is. So I'm going to start just doing a hamstring roll. You're just going to want to take the foam roller and essentially put it just below your glutes on your thighs. Straighten your legs, and you're going to use your arms and your body weight to roll back and forth. You can do this for pretty much as long as you need to get the tender spots out. And if you really do just want to focus on one leg at a time, then you can just put the roller in the middle and use your leg to move you back and forth. For the front of your thighs, you're going to do the exact same thing, but flipped over. So you're going to get down in pretty much a push-up position, get your thighs on your foam roller, and you're going to want your feet off the ground for optimal movement, and then just roll forward and back. Now we're going to do the outer thighs and your hips. Placing your hip on the foam roller, using this leg for stability, and again you're just going to roll forward and back. Now I'm doing these reasonably quickly for filming's sake, but obviously you can take as much time as you need in each roll. But now we're going to do the calves. Place the calf you want to work on first on top of the foam roller, cross your legs, and then you're going to use your arms for stability and movement. And we're just going to roll forward and back. Switch your legs. So you can also do a lot of leg rolling with one of these bars. It literally just rolls in the middle and has 2 handles, and you can use this one if you aren't totally comfortable doing a full-on foam roll, and you can basically just do the same thing but using your hands. And if you really don't want to get down on the foam roller to do the thigh rolling, you can also use this. The difference is you're using your hands to put the pressure on instead of your body weight. So you may not necessarily be getting as deep into the tissue as you may want or need. So that is it for tonight's video. I hope this helped you out if you were just getting into foam rolling. I will have another one where we focus on upper body, but for now I'm gonna leave you with that. So good morning, good night. Congratulations on making it to day 11. We'll see you tomorrow.